Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save Instagram stories with music. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So I'm gonna show you how to save stories with music using Android. So first, let's go ahead and upload our story. And we're gonna go ahead and add music to it just like this. And just go ahead and post it on your story. Now before we do the next step, just make sure your account is not in private mode. After all that's done, go over to your browser and search for storysaver.net. Just like this. And then, search the username that you want to download the story from. I'm just gonna search mine for this tutorial. And then just hit download. As you can see, it will show you all the stories of that specific account. So let's go ahead and download this video right here. And then, just press the three dots at the lower right corner like this, and then just hit download. After the download is finished, let's check it out in our gallery. And there you have it. As you can see, it still have the music on it. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.